If you're looking for a gel nail lamp, then check out this one. I got it from the seller and I couldn't be more impressed. Now, I really love the color of it. It does come in orange and gray as well if you prefer those colors, but I really like the pink. What I also like is it has a digital display on the front. And then it also has this dial here to where you can set it to whatever time you need. You can have 30, 60, 90, or 120 seconds. And then when you stick your hand in, as you can see, it lights up and then it dries your gel nails. This is a really nice size. It's a professional size. It's great for professionals or home use as well. Here's the back. And another thing that I love about this is that it's rechargeable. So it includes this little instruction sheet, and then here is your charging cord. You just plug it in the back, so you don't have to worry about finding an outlet. You can do your nails wherever you want to. Now I'm going to use this nail polish and let you see how well it works. So I'm just going to turn this on. Then I'm going to set it for 120 seconds and place my hand underneath. After 120 seconds, I'll show you how dry it is. When your time's up, it automatically turns off. Here's my nails, and look at how dry they are. This machine works great to cure your gel nail polish. I really love mine, and I think you'll love yours too.